Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini in Z Fold 7 Full Guide. Open the app launcher and tap Gemini, then allow permissions and sign in. Pin Gemini to your taskbar for quick access. Use voice or text input to ask questions, set reminders, or draft messages. Practice with simple prompts to learn response style and adjust settings for voice, temperature, and output length to match your needs. For multitasking, drag Gemini into split screen and open the second app you want to use, like email or notes. Resize each window to prioritize content and keep responses visible while you work. Use pop-up view for brief lookups without losing context. Practice dragging text from Gemini, replies into other apps to save time. These gestures and layout tricks make the Z Fold 7 a productive companion for fast research and hands-on tasks. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for long reading sessions and pairs nicely with a Z Fold 7 for research and reference when you step away from your phone. It feels light and reads without glare. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Craft prompts with context, expected format, and constraints to get usable replies from Gemini. Use the settings menu to tweak response length, tone, and safety filters for your workflow. Turn on conversation history and sync so your chats follow you between folded and unfolded modes. For complex tasks, ask for step-by-step plans or bullet lists and request revisions. These prompt habits and setting tweaks help Gemini deliver focused, reliable assistance on your Z Fold 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.